also has good density and low cost. Because of the modular graphite microstructure or modular cast iron, it is superior to cast steel in reducing vibration. An important reason for choosing superior graphite cast iron is such kind of cast iron has a low cost than cast steel. The low cost of modular cast iron makes this material more popular, and it is also has higher efficiency. The machining cost of modular cast iron is also reduced. Next, I will introduce the characteristics of ductile iron manhole covers. For manhole covers, it has no noise during service, in line with environmental requirements, and the contact service between the body and the ring is almost zero. We adopt three processes to assure a 100% seamless mesh to eliminate the noise when the vehicles are passing by. The tensile strength, toughness, strong bearing force, the above three are 7 times that of ordinary cast iron, which are close to the material of raw steel. The carrying capacity is much better than the national standard. As you know, our national standard is 360 kN. It can withstand all kinds of heavy truck rolling, and it can efficiently prevent the accident from the failure of manhole covers. It also very safety in the non-sliding cast process. Next, I will tell you the features of ductile iron grill covers. For grill covers, it has bigger bearing capacity, better anti-theft capacity, and better fixing performance. It will not be lifted or washed away by rainwater during heavy rain. The material is generally cast iron with a gap in the middle to facilitate the smooth flow of water into the well, and there is generally a row of strong sticks to block dirt or other debris. It is very easy construction, light in weight, better in load bearing, and it is very beautiful and durable after hot fixing treatment. It has better anti-corrosion. We adopt hinge meshing or hook meshing, which is easy to open and has anti-theft function. Now you can see on our screen our manhole cover compliant with EN 124 standard. For A15. The bearing capacity is about 1.5 tons, and the application fields are pedestrians and bicycles. For B125, the bearing capacity is about 12.5 tons, and it is very suitable for footpaths, pedestrian areas, car parks, or parking platforms. For C250, the bearing capacity is about 25 tons, and the application field is ditches size road. For D400, the bearing capacity is about 40 tons, and It is very suitable for roadway carriageway, harsh rural and parking area. For E600, the bearing capacity is about 60 tons, and it is suitable for aircraft handling and flight runways. For F900, the bearing capacity is about 90 tons, and it is very suitable for airstrip. Now let me show you some metal covers. If you need the bearing capacity about 1.5 tons, I recommend this to you. The first one, for this one, the out diameter is 300 millimeter. The cover diameter is 280 millimeter. The clear opening is 245 millimeter. The depth is 25 millimeter and the unit weight is about 6.5 kilogram. Another one. For this one, the out diameter is 500 millimeter. The cover diameter is 390 millimeter. The depth is 60 millimeter and the unit weight is about 18.5 kilograms. If you need the bearing capacity about 12.5 tons, I recommend to have two. The first is round. For this one, the out diameter is 750 millimeter. The cover diameter is 600 millimeter. The clear opening is 570 millimeter. The depth for this one is 50 millimeter. And the unit weight is about 34 kilograms. Another one, the shape is square. For this one, the out diameter is 400 millimeter. The cover diameter is 340 millimeter. The clear opening is 300 millimeter. The depth is 30 millimeter and the unit weight is about 9 kilograms. For this, you can see the bearing capacity is about 25 tons. The first one, you can see the out diameter is about 900 millimeter. The cover diameter is 700 millimeter. The clear opening is 670 millimeter. The depth for this one is 100 millimeter and the unit weight is about 60 kilograms. For this one, the out diameter is 750 millimeter. The cover diameter is 635 millimeter. The depth for this one is 80 millimeter and the unit weight is about 55 kilograms. For this, the bearing capacity is about 40 tons. The first one, you can see the out diameter is 650 millimeter. The cover diameter is 540 millimeter. The depth is 100 millimeter and the unit weight is about 558 kilograms. For this one, the out diameter is 850 millimeter. The cover diameter is 635 millimeter. The depth is 100 millimeter and the unit weight is 65 kilograms. For this, the bearing capacity is about 60 tons. The first one, you can see the out diameter is 900 millimeter. The cover diameter is 700 millimeter. The clear opening is 670 millimeter. The depth for this one is 100 millimeter. The unit weight is about 85 kilograms. The second one. For this one, the arm diameter is 760 millimeters. The cover diameter is 645 millimeters. The cover opening is 600 millimeters. The unit weight is about 100 kilograms. The last one. The width for this one is 860 millimeters. The length is 1,390 millimeters. The depth is 150 millimeters. The unit weight is about 430 kilograms. For this one, the bearing capacity is about 90 tons. It is very suitable for airstream. The length for this one is 560 millimeters. The width is 460 millimeters. The depth is 45 millimeters and the unit weight is 40 kilograms. Next, I will recommend some group covers to you. If you need the bearing capacity about 1.5 tons, I recommend this to you. The length is 500 millimeters. The width is 300 millimeters. The depth is 27 millimeters and the unit weight is 6.5 kilograms. The third one, you can see the bearing capacity is about 12.5 tons and the size of diameter is 590 millimeters. The cover diameter is 530 millimeters. The depth is 40 millimeters and the unit weight is about 30 kilograms. For this one, the bearing capacity is about 25 tons and the arm diameter is 630 millimeters. The depth is 40 millimeters. The unit weight is 23.5 kilograms. The last one, for this one, the bearing capacity is about 40 tons. And the length for this one is 760 millimeters. The width is 295 millimeters. The depth is 120 millimeters. The unit weight is about 43 kilograms. Certainly, we have not only this size of products, but also many other sizes. For the time reasons, we only introduce this. We also customize further size of medical and mental covers and book covers according to your requirements. So, if you have any inquiry, please follow our shop and send the drawings to us. We will try to quote you as soon as possible. Next, I will show some video to you. You can see in the video, this is our production plant. And this is our factory smelting furnace. You can see in the video we are powering. our flowchart. First, we will do short blasting, and then polish well. After finished product assembly, we will do anti-rush treatment.
发完之后，他讲一下，前面三个前面是无法估计，然后后面就是中国
Okay, thanks. That's all for my speech. Now.
Okay, so thanks for Joy's live show. So let's take a photo together. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so please check if it is okay. Okay, so now let's welcome Anna's live show. So what will Anna bring the presentation about? Okay, let's wait here. Okay, so my dear friend, thanks for watching. And if you have any inquiries about manhole covers, please let us know. And also, please follow our shop and send us your inquiries and requirements to us by emails, WhatsApp. Okay, so it's ready. Let's welcome Anna. Okay, thank you.
Hello, this is Anna from EB China. Okay, let me show you our mental powder. We have 3 parts for the metal powder. The part one is nickel powder. The part 2 is iridium powder. The part 3 is copper powder. The part 4 is cobalt powder. Okay, the part 1, metal pigments with metallic nickel as the main metal pigments with metallic nickel as the main component, including nickel powder and flake nickel powder. Nickel powder is distilled and purified. Nickel powder is distilled and purified. The flake nickel powder is made of high nickel powder. In the presence of a suitable laboratory, and a liquid medium is ground with a steel bar in a bar mill to form a flake of a steel ball thickness. The basic information of nickel powder, including color and shape of nickel powder. Nickel powder is green, agar powder, easy to oxidize in most air. The uses of nickel powder used to prepare non-ferrous alloys, high temperature resistant, anti-oxidation materials, magnetic materials, can also be used as a hydrogenation catalyst for chemical reactions. Packing of as as the ethical powder, packed with protective gas and plastic bags, cloth bags, and arm drops. Look at these bottles of nickel powder. This is our test report of cobalt powder. Okay, the part 2 is oleum powder. Basic information of oleum powder. Oleum powder, commonly known as silver powder, that is silver maltic pigment. A small amount of lubricant is added to pour oleum foil crushed into a scaly powder and then polished. The feature of oleum powder, including three parts. The part 1 is color of oleum powder. It's silver white metal powder. The part 2 uses of oleum powder, pens, inks, pens, and fireworks. The part 3 is